Okay everyone, I am going to colour in these prints that Daddy made. So they're supposed to be for phone holders, but they don't work. If you put all four like this, they work on my iPad. If you use all four. So I'm going to colour them in. Let me tell you the animals that he made. You can also put them on keychains. Here, there are spaces for keychains to go. Let me tell you which animals are. This is a cute little rabbit with closed eyes. Tabby, what are you doing? This is a kitty with closed eyes. And then there's a dragon with open eyes. And then there's also a little doggy with open eyes as well. Show them all. Okay, so we're going to start colouring in. So which one shall we start with now? Okay, which one shall we start with?
Rabbit.
Okay, so we are doing a rabbit. Well, the most important thing would be the pink. I don't know on my board. Acrylic, you need to use acrylic paint. Abby, what are you doing? Just sitting there, alright? And you can... There! The ear. So, well, I will be working on them all together at the same time. So it will be a bit easier. It might be quite easy to do this cat, can't it, Mummy? Because I'll know the right colours, because I've got a cat right next to me. A real cat. I'll put cat tag. There we go. Pink ears for everyone. Look at this, Mummy.
How cute.
I know, it's so cute. Let me do the dragon's horns. The easiest colour to get because it's the first colour in the rainbow. Now what are those doggies called? The spotty Nigella doggies?
Dalmatians.
Dalmatians. Are they white with black spots?
They are.
Oh, maybe I should do them white first. Colour the whole Dalmatian white. And then I can give them some black spots. I'll just get black over here again. And do the kitty's tail black.
Which pens are you using, Isabella?
Acrylic.
Acrylic paint pens.
Kitty!
You'll have to hold Kitty closer so we can see.
Kitty. Rabbit.
Can I see Kitty?
Mama, what shall I do on rabbit? Rabbit.
Cute.
Maybe. I'm going to show them all when I've finished with them. I've finished the rabbit and was the road and the dress. Finish those two. I'm still busy with the dog and I'm doing the cat.
How's the colouring going, Isabella?
Good.
Have you been interrupted by a cutie?
No, not a lot. We've still been colouring it with them. Dog. Hello. I finished my paintings and there's a dragon, rabbit, dog and cat. Wait, stop and show them. I'll show them. That is
You turn it around? Yeah. That's better.
dragon.
Okay, turn it around. Thank you. Hold it still. Draai aan stadig. It's the dog. Can you hold the cat still? Lovely. Which one's your favourite, Isabella? I think my favourite's the cat. I like the cat's face.
I like all of them. None of them are my favourite. I like all of them. Bye, we'll see you in the next video.